Picture this. You're on the precipice of achieving your life's dreams and ambitions, but something keeps pulling you back. As if an invisible hand is thwarting your every move. An unseen force that lurks within the enigmatic realm of what we call shadow work. Our lives are forged in the crucible of our surroundings, especially during our earliest years. From the moment we enter this world until around the age of 7, our minds act as sponges, soaking up every experience and impression in our environment. Our brains operate in a theta brainwave state, akin to a meditative trance, allowing beliefs and notions to permeate our subconscious like water into the earth. This process is completely natural and wondrous, provided you grow up in an environment teeming with love, empowerment, and positivity. However, for many of us, this isn't our reality. We absorb patterns, beliefs, and energies that do not serve our highest good. These elements weave themselves into the fabric of our being, continuing to shape our lives, often in detrimental ways. They are like invisible anchors, stealthily dragging us down, preventing us from living the life we truly envision. Enter Carl Jung, the eminent psychologist who introduced the concept of the shadow. He aptly remarked, "Everyone carries a shadow, and the less it is embodied in the individual's conscious life, the blacker and denser it is." To put it simply, the more you ignore your shadow, the more it wreaks havoc on your intentions and desires. Consider this. You don't merely attract what you want. You attract what you are. And that includes your shadow, the unresolved issues, the suppressed emotions, the forgotten memories. All part of your shadow emit vibrations and frequencies that directly influence your ability to manifest the life you desire. So what's the remedy? Seekers, it lies in the intricate process of shadow work. It entails confronting, acknowledging, and integrating those concealed aspects of yourself. But here's the key insight. Your shadow isn't your foe. It's a wounded part of you yearning for healing and reconciliation. Now let's journey into the underground labyrinth and unveil the shadow self. Deep within the recesses of the human psyche lies an intricate and enigmatic maze. An underground labyrinth of the mind. Imagine this labyrinth as a mysterious subterranean world, a place where the boundaries between reality and the imagination blur. It is within these winding passages and echoing whispers of forgotten thoughts that the allegory of the shadow self comes to life. This is an exploration of the most profound corners of our inner world, where hidden truths and revelations await. Our shadow self is the embodiment of the facets of ourselves that we often repress or deny. Think of it as the silhouette cast by the light of our conscious self, a shadowy representation of desires, fears, and experiences that we might find uncomfortable or unacceptable. And in the heart of this underground labyrinth, the shadow self takes on a tangible form, personifying the complexity and depth of our inner world. It is our unacknowledged self, concealed in the darkest recesses of our being. Navigating the labyrinth's twists and turns, we inevitably encounter our shadow self. And in this recognition, akin to facing a long-lost friend or an estranged part of ourselves, this encounter is not one of hostility, but of acknowledgement. A recognition that our shadow self is not an adversary to be feared, but a vital fragment of our psyche. Here in the subterranean realm of the subconscious, making the darkness conscious, we take the first step towards integration by accepting that the labyrinth is not merely a place of darkness and confusion. It is a canvas upon which our innermost truths are painted. To integrate the shadow self, we embark on a symbolic exchange within the labyrinth's confines, representing the merging of our conscious and unconscious aspects. As we metaphorically stand before our shadow self, we offer a gift or token, signifying our willingness to embrace the hidden facets of our personality. It acts as a symbolic key, unlocking the door to hidden realms of the psyche, and facilitating communication and integration between conscious awareness and subconscious depths. In return, the shadow self presents its own gift, a symbol of the wisdom and untapped potential it holds. It signifies our commitment to explore and integrate the concealed aspects of ourselves, and in this pivotal moment, we draw closer to our shadow self, allowing our forms to merge. This symbolic merging is the heart of the integration process, the reconciliation of the opposing forces within us, the conscious and the unconscious, bringing them into harmonious union. And as these two aspects become one, the labyrinth chamber suffuses with radiant light, a metaphorical light signifying newfound clarity and self-awareness, and the once mysterious corners of our psyche are now open and illuminated. In this allegorical journey, as we and our shadow self merge, a transformation unfolds, the blossoming of our true selves, where concealed talents, creativity, and potential rise to the forefront. Our merged form undergoes a metamorphosis, reflecting the full expression of our integrated selves, all towards balance and unity. We and our shadow self, once distinct, now stand together as allies, working in tandem rather than opposition. Yet it's important to note that the labyrinth itself is not a static construct. Much like our psyche, it's ever expanding with new passages and chambers waiting to be discovered. Having completed the integration, we ascend from the labyrinth's depths. We now carry with us the wisdom, insights, and strengths of our shadow self, enhancing our interactions with the outer world. The labyrinth, once a symbol of inner complexity and darkness, now stands as a testament to our journey towards self-realization and enlightenment. So, dear seekers, it's time to shine the blazing torch of awareness onto your shadow. Commence your voyage of self-discovery and liberate yourself from what no longer serves your highest purpose. Do not let the shadows of your past dictate the colors of your future. Embrace your shadow, integrate its wisdom, and witness the spectacular transformation of your life unfold before your very eyes. When you confront your own shadow, you unveil your inner light. Humanfluence, out.